Good morning, day 52 of 75 Hard as I sit in my truck enjoying my seat warmer because, I'm not old. I'm 45. I'm level 40. I like to say level. By the way, fellas, if you want a respectful way to refer to the age of women, just say level. Because, you always want to level up. So I'm at level 45. Anyway, I'm not old by any means. I don't feel old. I feel young. You ever ask that question to yourself? Like, if you didn't know how old you were, how old would you be? Think about that. If you didn't know, if you're just out here living in the world, you had no idea when you were born, how old would you think you are? For me, that's like, I don't know, early 30s or something. I wouldn't want to be in my 20s. Real fucking stupid then. You hope that as you get older, you get a little wiser, a little smarter. Anyway, my body feels good. I'm young. I feel energetic. But I'm still 45. I've been working out for a long ass time. And I wake up and my body doesn't hurt. But you're a little stiff from time to time. Like hamstrings a little tight. Back's a little tight. Sometimes you gotta warm that shit up. Like if you're not doing a proper warm up for your workout, you need to be doing that. And guys, we're terrible about it. We're the worst about not warming up. I basically force my clients to warm up properly, which is very beneficial. So if you're not doing that, maybe that's today's message. Like, warm up before you work out. Don't just walk in and start picking up weight. That's stupid, especially as you get older. You can't do that shit. Because then you'll be sitting in a truck, heating your back up with your seat warmers. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see y'all later. What's up, party people? Day 52 is a wrap. When you drink a gallon of water a day, you pee a lot. May have mentioned that a couple times. And I get a little strategic about it because what I don't want is to be outside a mile and a half away from my house and I have to pee because there's just nowhere to go. I'm in a neighborhood and everybody's got cameras and shit now. So it's not like you can't even go just piss on the side of somebody's house because that's not the way things work. And there's no like woods or real trees or anything, and it's kind of winter still, so you can't go. Anyway, my day got derailed a little bit. Not bad, a little bit. And my outdoor workout got delayed, and so I stopped drinking water early in the day because I was anticipating having an outdoor workout that got delayed and got delayed and got delayed and got delayed. And I finally got outside around, I think 5 o'clock, 5:15 or so this afternoon, which meant when I got back home, I had more water to drink. But I will say this, I didn't have to pee on the way back, which is fantastic. So again, if you're doing 75 hard, game your water around when you're going outside. If you don't have access to a bathroom close by. I mean, if you're like literally in your backyard and you can run in the house or whatever, that's one thing. But again, if you got a 40-pound vest on and you're a mile and a half away from the house, it's not very convenient to go pee. There's your pee lesson for the day. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.